Hey everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you have an amazing day. Just wanted to show off this 2022 Chrysler Grand Caravan. As you may or may not know, the Grand Caravan is no longer a Dodge product. It's slotted over in the Chrysler line, kind of a baby sibling to the Pacifica, if you will. So a little bit of a similar styling in that regard. Brand new fresh body style for this year. Looks really, really sharp. Still made in Canada, so this one came from Ontario. Very low production right now, just with everything going on and shortages, and the United States having a crazy demand for vehicles. The days of having 40, 50 of these things in stock are kind of not going to be around for a while, so have a couple here on the ground like this one is really nice to have. Beautiful styling, really fresh, really brings it into the 21st century, if you will. I'd like to show off the key fob. So very, very stylish and robust key fob. Very feels like you got a good piece of kit here. Lock, unlock. I did it backwards, but then we can do your remote start, and then we can actually open up all the doors in the rear hatch with the push of a button. So you can do them here. You can do them on the doors, of course, inside of the doors. You can do it all from up front. So it's like 4 different ways to open and close each compartment in this vehicle. Pass-through storage all the way through there. You do have the Stow-n-go here in the back. So you got the floor mats and some odds and ends in here, but essentially, I'm just gonna put this back up. Pretty simple. You just pull the top ribbon, collapses the headrest. Down here, collapses the back, and then just pull this, or sorry, I should say unlocks the back, and then pull that, and then it'll fold down in here. Pretty similar setup on the middle seats. They just put the driver passenger seat all the way forward, and we'll just show you that real quick instead of just talking about it. Great family vehicle. You know, there's spots for car seats and all the seats back here. Power seat up front. And we'll just go. So I'm just gonna unbuckle the seat belt. So it's pretty user-friendly. Undo the hatch. Also too, like, I sold one of these vans to a gentleman that had he's a photographer and had like 50 grand in photography gear that he would take with him, and he would actually, when he's on his shoots and he wasn't busy, he would keep everything down here. So just a nice storage compartment if you don't want to fold your seats in. So we keep all his gear there. You could not have to go for lunch, not have to worry about, anyone peering in and seeing a camera bag in the back of the van. Everything's kind of like underneath, so kind of a neat feature. Oops, I'm gonna move this up just a little more. So yeah, just push that one strap, pulls up kind of spring loaded in a way, pushes it all the way down, and then just fold flat there as well. And if you had floor mats, you could just clip them back in the proper holes. Very easy, very intuitive. So if you need to convert this to accommodate whatever, I used to have a Grand Caravan years ago. My parents did, and helped one of my friends move, put a couch in the back, put a love seat on top of it, a bunch of boxes. Very, very versatile van. Great infotainment system up front. Take a quick shot. There's all the technology that you would expect on a modern vehicle as far as Sirius XM, Guardian, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got 6-speaker audio system, and you got multi-zone climate control. So you have the front two, the tri-zones, 1 and 2 on the front, left and right, and then of course the back here. There's actually vents in the ceiling as well as some controls. And of course you have passive entry too, so you can see a little black button on the handles here. When you push that, it'll lock it, and then just unlock it, hand behind the handle, and it unlocks. Very handy, especially if you keep your key in your pocket or your bag, your hands are full. You can just open that up. And then, great van. Come down, take a look at it, 1155 St.Albert Trail. Don't discuss pricing in the videos, but if you want to take a look in the description, it'll take you to our website, which will give you the most accurate and up-to-date pricing. Call me on my cell. Talk to you soon.